Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to change lock screen wallpaper on ZTE Blade 3. Firstly, go into the settings. Now go into theme and personalization, lock screen settings, my bad, not the lock screen settings, but wallpaper. Now select the wallpaper that I would like to have. Let's say this one. Now tap on set as and set lock screen. And as you can see right now, this is going to be my wallpaper for the lock screen. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.